Man.
What do we need to get?
Where should I pile the dirt, you think? Like right here?
What? Yeah, because does it have to be level?
No. I just gotta dig this out and then the fucking form is gonna be level.
Okay.
I'm just talking about getting rid of dirt.
Okay. Splinter? Ma'am?
Huh?
Ma'am?
I haven't even checked it for pulling this way.
Is it?
I doubt it. I haven't checked it. Rock, come on. Rock.
So it's the next day and there was actually a pretty bad rainstorm. You can see that the water flooded all the way to here. This is debris. And this is kind of our hole. So if you head over here, you can see that a lot of debris came into this hole and like this wall collapsed. So some things have washed up on shore. But for the most part, I don't know if we're gonna have to re-dig, but you can see this like isn't very deep. I think we had it, I don't know how deep we had it. Something about the frost line, so 15 inches maybe, but I don't know. Or 8. I don't know how deep we had it, but oh well. So John said that we can't pour the concrete until the rains have stopped, and the rain is in the forecast for like the next 2 days, and with all the flooding that happened in our backyard, I'm not sure how that's thrown us off schedule, but did you get Splinter?
It just fucking hurt. I didn't think they were that heavy. It felt so weird. adding plywood to the side of the forms because it hasn't stopped raining for like this whole month, and our hole filled back up with mud. So this will keep the sides of the footer from caving in, and I don't know, it'll be easy for us in the long run.
Yeah.
Going forward, I think people use form oil. I think I'm using WD-40, and spray it down so you can wiggle the thing out at the end. And I think we'll be in pretty good shape at that point.
How deep are these?
3 feet. It had to be 3 feet for code, but that's for some sort of structure, which we're not doing. This is just going to be a fence. So I think we could have gone less, but I don't know. I don't want to play no games.
So it's day 3 and it's raining again. It's like a weird psychotic rain where it's like still sunny out, but hopefully our little wall that we built will hold. We also packed the walls in with dirt as well. Like you can kind of see right there. That was my responsibility to dig, and that wall collapsed from me standing on it. So we'll see. That's all packed back in, but I can't believe it's been raining for like 4 days. I also finally got us a citronella candle. It's out there, but hopefully that will help because I'm getting all bitten by bugs and stuff just from unearthing all of this dirt. Ooh. So we just got back from Kava. It's like a building supply place, and they like drove a forklift and put all the concrete we needed in the back of the truck. Well, half of it, and it's all right there. It's 80 pounds each, so I wasn't able to help carry them into the house, but I did like pass them along to John from the truck bed so he can bring them in. So this is only half. The truck just couldn't support the weight. We needed 50 bags, and today we only got 30, because there are plugs in the tires of the truck, so we were afraid that they might pop if we put that much weight in the truck, because, you know, they're 80 pounds each. And the guy at Kava recognized me. He was like, "Are you Quicken?" And I was like, of all places. So I'm just worried that it's gonna rain again and all these bags of cement are gonna turn into concrete. John said that he can get a cement mixer for tomorrow. I'm just really worried that it's gonna rain by then. And you can kind of see that the rain comes up this high. This is all like debris from the last time our backyard flooded, which was like 1 day ago, you know. But this is all the concrete. I think we're gonna make one more trip today. Never in my mind did I think it took this much concrete to just fill this, like the thing we built. The concrete's just for that, you know? Like, for those concrete picture frame tutorials and shit on YouTube, are they buying like one whole fucking one of these? Like, did these not make that much concrete? I have never done this before, so obviously, like, I just don't know, but are we gonna have extra? Like, can we sell it back? So all this today was $236. And we bought it from, like, a supply, like, warehouse thing. We didn't buy it from Lowe's, so this is kind of like the industry, like, best price. So far the total and everything I would say is at or above $400. Like, luckily John and I are splitting it, so like the first time he paid, then I'll pay, then he paid, which is great, but I don't know. So we were talking about fencing, and we think we're gonna get some like prefabricated fence to just put up. We're just like trying to figure out what's cheap. Obviously, everything we bought yesterday was to help with the flooding that has been happening. So if it hadn't been raining so much. That would have been a cost we could have avoided. I'm trying to think of ways to like do this cheaper, maybe to like get some salvage or something, but yeah, like I don't know. So John is about to drop me off downtown so I could go to work, and then he's gonna get a cement mixer. A cement mixer. All of the bags of cement are in the backyard, and there's no rain today, but there's rain tomorrow. But John says this all has to be done in one shot anyway, so we'll see.
Fucking cement mixer's quiet as fuck with no concrete in it. It's really goddamn loud. But I'm not mixing by hand, so I can't complain.
Hey, Papa. What are you doing?
Sidewalk. I'm gonna try to let me see how it goes.
Wait, was the sidewalk all dirt before?
It was brick at one point, maybe.
Okay.
Not 100% on
Papa, Papa, give me the news. So I look like a weird alien, but I have a shirt on. So we have 10 extra bags of concrete. So we're gonna use them and like some of the extra dirt, I think, to make a sidewalk on the other side of the alley, so on the other side of our fence. It's the responsibility of the homeowner to have like, no? It's not?
It's not my property at all.
Okay, so it's not our property at all, but I think it's neighborly to take care of the sidewalk on the other side of the fence. There's been new construction on our block where the people they just wrecked the alley and then sold the house and we're out. So it's not like completely fluid that our alleyway is like that, but we have all this extra concrete. We know how to do it. Well, John knows how to do it. So that's what we're doing today. And that helps us because we do have this extra concrete, and you know, if it rains or whatever, the concrete could get wet and then get ruined. Did I say that all right? Yeah, so that's what's happening now. How much of this dirt can we put over there?
No.
Oh, shit.
I'm probably gonna add to the pile.
Oh, never mind, that sucks. Oh well. It's like we still have this, so why not, I suppose. So John's just making this little spot level, and then he's just gonna fill in one little square at a time. Have you done this before, or this is...
I've done it before. Can I get another one of the poles?
Yep. The Sorry Girls are shaking right now.
Did Olive get out?
No. Olive, did you... Why must it rain every single day? Why?